what we find. So live a life.
I'm on the waterfall today. It is 500 steps up, 500 steps down. And because I am in the rainforest, I'll be fitting that it's raining. Costa Rica, do what the Costa Ricans do and be okay with getting a little wet. Like I was literally shaking because it was raining, because you know we're not used to this, like this, walking in the rain. But once I got over the rain, like it's the most beautiful feeling ever. I feel incredibly free, and I feel so grateful to be here in Costa Rica, such a beautiful country, and I'm speechless. I love it. It's so beautiful. Best pineapples I've ever had. I don't know what they're doing over here in Costa Rica with these pineapples, but honey, listen, the music in the background, my pineapple and watermelon, the jungle over here behind me. Yeah, again, I don't know no other words to describe how I'm feeling today. I'm gonna miss the pop. Oh my God. Earlier I was upstairs, now I'm like literally like feet away from the waterfall, and it's even more gorgeous. I'm loving it. PuraVida. PuraVida.
Said go venture far beyond the shores. Don't forsake this life of yours. I'll guide you home.
Live your life. You better live, because you don't know when